Today we will learn about matrix exponential. Matrix exponential. Okay. Suppose we want to find the nth Fibonacci number. Okay. Then what we will do? We know we will use the formula fn is equals to f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2, and we will simply find it using dp in order of O of n time. Okay, and suppose if n is in order of 10 raised to the power 9, then there will be time limit exceeds. So we will find the efficient way through which we can calculate nth Fibonacci number using matrix exponential or any other function using matrix exponential. So what is matrix exponential? Suppose we let assume example of Fibonacci number. Okay, so we know f of n is equals to n plus 1 is equals to f of n plus f of n minus 1. Okay, and now we will solve this using matrix exponential. What is matrix exponential? Suppose we have a function fn, like that Fibonacci number f of n plus 1, and that is equals to matrix exponential into f of n. Like when we multiply nth term of the function to the matrix exponent to the matrix, then we get f n plus 1th term. Okay, so what we can write f of n plus 1, f of n plus 1 is equals to f of n plus f of n minus 1, that is f of n, using our property. So this is a matrix which is equals to m into, and what is f of n? F of n is f of n minus 1 or f of n minus 2. Okay, let me see whether it is recording or not. Okay, so basically what we want to do now, we will have to find this matrix M. So now we know that for f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2, hence the nth term depend on two variables. Okay, 1 and 2. So we will assume that matrix is of order 2 into 2 cross 2 matrix. So let me rewrite the formula once again. F of n minus 1 is equals to m into f of n minus 1 f of n minus 2. Okay, now this is n plus 1th term and this is nth term. So now what we want to find m. Let assume m is equals to a, b, c, d. Okay, and so f of n or f of n minus 1 is equals to a, b, c, d into f of n minus 1 f of n minus 2. Okay, now what we will do, we will equate the equations. So f of n is equals to f of and that is equals to a into f of n minus 1 plus b into f of n minus 2. Okay, and f of n minus 1 is equals to c into f of n minus 1 plus d into f of n minus 2. Okay, so now what we will get from here, that this is equation first and this is equation second, and we have the above equation also, this this formula also. Okay, and also we have this formula that f of n is equals to f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2. Okay, third, and from equation first and third we get a is equals to 1 comma b is equals to 1. Okay, so and from the above property we have f of n minus 1 is equals to, by the property of Fibonacci number, f of n minus 2 plus f of that is equals to, and now we will use this equation f of n minus 1. So f of n minus 1 will simply equals to 1 into f of n minus 1. This implies that c is equals to 0 comma d is equals to c is equals to 1 comma d is equals to 0. So we get matrix as m is equals to 1 1 1 0. This is our matrix. So now we want to find so f of n plus 1 is equals to m into f of n. We will write it as f of n minus 1, and write this as f of n minus 1 f of n minus 2. This is m. So if we want to find nth term, okay, and what is f of n? That is equals to m into f of n minus 1. Okay, so whole that will be m square m की power 2 into f of n minus 1 is equals to f of n plus 1, and f of, replace n by n plus 1 by n. So what is f of n? F of n is equals to m square f of n minus 2. Okay, so now here what we will do, that n minus 2, that is equals to, now this is our formula. Okay, and we will further expand like that, that is equals to mq into f of n minus 3. In the whole we will get that we know f of 0 and f of 1 initially, and we will find f of 2, and that will be equals to f of 2 f of 2 is equals to m of n minus 2 into f of t is equals to f of n. So this will be our whole formula. And what is f of 2? And n should be greater than 2. And we know f of 2 is equals to f of 1 plus f of 0. And now for any formula, so this will be our basic formula. If we want to find nth term, then that will equals to m raised to n minus 2 and f into 2 into 2. And now we only have to find what is the value of m raised to the power n minus 2. Okay, for this we will use a long division method. Like that, what we do, we have to find that also. We only have to find this one. So here what we do, we write a code that while let m is equals to be a comma n minus 2 is equals to b. So what we have to find, a raised to the power b. So now we will use a function, we will find it by using long division method. Okay, and how we will find that? We want to find a raised to the power b. Now what we will use, while b, ओके जब तक b है तब तक क्या होगा कि if b is less than, let answer is equals to 1, that it is equals to answer, and answer is equals to 1, and b is equals, then what will be the b? No, don't confuse with that. Let me erase it. Let me give another variable name. Let is equals to p. We have to find p. Initially we will give p is equals to 1, and if b modulo 2 is equals to 0, what means that if b is divisible by 2, then what we will do, a is equals to a into a, and else a into a कर देंगे, and b is equals to b divided by 2. ठीक है, and else b is equals to, else b of minus minus comma b of minus minus and p into p is equals to p into a. This is a formula of long division method. Okay, this is a pure whole function, how this whole work, and finally p will be our answer. P will be our answer. Okay, so we can find p, and we can also multiply two matrix easily. Okay, and we can also multiply a matrix into matrix easily, and we will write another function for matrix multiplication, and there we can find a p which is equals to m raised to the power n minus 2. Hence our f of, and then hence what will be the f of n? F of n is equals to p into f of 2. And what will be f of 2? It will be f of 0 plus f of 1. Hence we can find any number, any function which is fx, which is f of n, and which is equals to a into f of n minus 1 plus b into f of n minus 2 up to something. and let there are k variables like 1, 2 and up to k, then we will find a matrix of order k into k. Okay, so in this way we can find the f of n in order of function log b. Okay, log b base 2. And what is b? B is equals to log of 2n minus 2. Okay, this will be our time complexity of finding fn, and if we find it by using dp, then it will take O of n time, and if we find it by this, then it will take log of base 2 of n time, and which is much less than O of n. Hence this will be the efficient approach, and time complexity will be log n base 2. Thank you. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.